In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change initials in Adobe Acrobat. To begin, you will need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This is an essential first step because it allows you to access the features needed to change your initials. As you open the PDF, make sure it is the correct document you want to edit. You can do this by navigating to the file location on your computer and double-clicking the PDF file. Once it is open, you will see the familiar Acrobat interface, which provides tools for editing and signing documents. This process is straightforward and sets the stage for the changes you will make. Next, look for the Fill and Sign option in the toolbar. This feature is crucial because it enables you to add and modify signatures and initials in your document. You will typically find the Fill and Sign button on the right side of the screen. Clicking this option will open up a new set of tools specifically designed for filling out forms and signing documents. This step is important as it prepares the document for the next actions you will take regarding your initials. Once you have accessed Fill and Sign, click on the Sign Yourself option, which is represented by a pen icon. This icon is often located at the top of the Fill and Sign toolbar. By clicking on it, you will be able to view your current signature options, including your initials. This is a vital step because it directs you to the area where you can make changes to your initials. You will now see a drop-down menu or a list of your existing signatures and initials, making it clear what you are working with. Now, find and click on your current initials or signature from the list. This action is necessary to initiate the change process. By selecting your initials, you will be able to edit or remove them as needed. It is important to take your time here to ensure you are selecting the correct initials. Once you have clicked on them, a small menu will appear, giving you further options for editing. At this point, you will need to click the X or the minus button to remove your current initials. This step is crucial because it clears out the old initials, allowing you to replace them with something new. Removing the initials ensures that the new ones will be saved without any confusion or overlap with the old ones. After clicking the button, you might see a brief animation or confirmation that your initials have been removed, which is a good sign that you are on the right track. From there, select the Add Initials option. This choice opens up a new dialog box that allows you to create your new initials. By choosing to add initials, you are taking a proactive step in customizing your document to reflect your current identity. This is important because it ensures that any signed documents will accurately represent your name and signature style moving forward. Next, you will have the option to type, draw, or upload new initials. This flexibility is incredibly useful because it allows you to choose the method that feels most comfortable for you. If you prefer typing, simply type your initials in the provided box. If you are more of a visual person, you can draw them using your mouse or a stylus. Alternatively, you can upload an image of your initials if you have a specific design in mind. Each method has its advantages, and you can choose what works best for you. Finally, click the Apply button to save your new initials. This step is the culmination of your efforts and ensures that your changes are finalized. When you click Apply, the new initials will appear on your PDF, replacing the old ones. It is reassuring to know that you have successfully updated your initials, and you can now confidently use your document knowing it reflects your current information.